wouldn't expect anyone to be here now that they locked this building. First, before I start, there's one thing I want to go over, and that's that from people who don't know me, I've heard that people get an impression from these acts that I'm like really rude and kind of full of myself. So I wanted to take just a second to address that now. Those claims, they're completely true. I feel like I should clarify that that's a joke, because I want to have friends next year. Anyway, my name's Paul Krebs. To the outside world, most people know me for thinking that orange with maroon is an actually good color combo, or for being pretty much the only person who does non-musical acts at Jam for the Lamb. So, am I juggling this time? No. You see, at the beginning of this semester, I had shoulder surgery. Kind of, a little bit, maybe, because I went through and did my last juggling act, even when it was starting to hurt. The act went pretty well, but we have to ask ourselves, after surgery, 3 weeks in a sling, months of recovery, and thousands of dollars in medical bills later, was it worth it?
Yeah. Yeah!
Anyway, moving on. This is all actually okay, because secretly, I'm a master of Rubik's Cube. Now, if I just solved a Rubik's Cube, that might be the most boring thing you've ever seen on stage. Except maybe for Jack Viggy's stand-up. So instead, I'm doing Rubik's Cube Magic, which is a completely original act, assuming you've never seen any America's Got Talent. And because we're at a Catholic school, I thought it'd be good to clarify that this is magic with a G, not a J. You're welcome, all the homeschoolers out there. Also, this isn't my first time auditioning with this show. Last spring, I tried to get in the Jam for the Lamb with this, and it's the only time I haven't gotten in. And I'm not saying that the judges made a mistake, but for the next Jam for the Lamb, they replaced all the judges. Mostly because they all graduated.
Mostly.
But, yeah, one last thing before I get into a trick is that after my audition, I lost all of my Rubik's Cubes. I don't really know how I did that, but they're gone. And so I had to replace them. I tried to replace, I know I'm going to sound stupid, but I tried to replace them with paper cubes, but they don't turn at all. It's a total scam. Like, we're at the point now where I've spent like $30 of my own mom's money on this. So, anyway, this is pretty cool, so I'll just put it over there. So, getting into it, our first trick, we have a bag trick. Now, okay, this bag has a door on it. Now, you don't even know what I'm going to do, but you're going to think I'm going to use the bag to cheat. It's a bit of an oversight. I'm actually not going to use this bag because, you know, as Sarah Swafford says, it's not about the door. Sorry to all the freshmen who didn't get that joke. Okay, so we're going to start with a bag, and I'm going to scramble up a cube. And the idea of this trick is that I'm going to take the cube and put it slowly, one-handed, into the bag. Now I'm going to do three things here, even though it's going to look like I do nothing. First, I'm going to make the cube disappear. It's gone. Next, I'm going to make it solve. It's solved. Now finally, this is the hard part. I'm going to make it reappear. It's back. So now, I'm going to go, reach into the bag, and we have a solved Rubik's Cube. Now, a lot of people have an idea of how I do that trick. They say there's a second cube in the bag. But I'm going to prove that this is wrong. I'll look in the bag. It's empty. I need a volunteer to come look in the bag. Good.
Oh, man.
There you go.
Let's try this.
You can have that. Next, I'm going to take the cube and I'm going to scramble it up again. And so this next trick, this is one of my favorite tricks because if you blink, you completely miss it because now it's solved. So, okay, now for my next trick, I'm going to try to make something disappear. First, I'm going to need an ordinary backpack from the audience.
What about abdomen?
Actually, no, wait, never mind. I'm not going to do that one. Security told me not to do that because someone's already been doing that one. Okay, so I'm going to need a better scrambler than myself. I need another volunteer from the audience.
Choose Peter.
Any of you, I don't care. See, that's what shows it's random, guys. Okay, what's your name? Jasmine. Okay, so I'm going to take this cube, give it like 20 or 30 seconds when I say go. I'm going to go over here so I can't even look. And, okay, so start, give it 20 or 30 seconds, okay? Yep. Okay, Jasmine, you about ready? Okay, so I'm going to come back now, and I'm going to take the cube. Okay, you can go back now. So now I'm going to have, okay, so I have there's a quarter here. I think this is what they're going to do. But I have a really bad history of using plant volunteers, so I'm going to actually head down for a minute.
Plant volunteers.
So I'm going to take everyone, oh wow, that sounds different. I'm going to take everyone in this row, just do like 2 moves and pass it and get it to the other side of the row, okay? Father Ryan is not a plant volunteer. He was live.
You're a genius. Woo! Yeah, Paul. Tell us a joke. I'm on TV, y'all.
Okay, 2 moves.
Guys, he's so close.
Okay, they were all paid actors. I'm going to keep this cube so people can walk backwards, I guess. I can do that, pretty cool, right? So, I'm going to take the cube and I'm going to go to the other bag. And you all know how the bag works, right? So, we take a cube and we put it in the bag, and when we put a cube in the bag, it comes out solved. But this time, it's a lot less impressive because the second cube is just still in the bag. Okay, so that looks really suspicious. So now I need another random volunteer.
Just Peter! Just Peter!
I don't know how I know you too well. Yeah. So your job is to take the cube. You do not make any moves. Okay, what you do is you hold the cube so I can't see it. Okay? So then I'm going to take my cube. I'm going to make it so I can't see the cube, but you all can. I'll put it behind my back, and I'll scramble my cube. I really came up with something to say for this. And so now I'm done, and I'll take your cube back. You can have back whenever. What would be really cool now is if the cube I scrambled behind my back was the same as the audience cube. It would be kind of cool, I guess. So we have a match on one side.
It's upside down.
Oh shoot, thanks. We have a match on one side. Two sides.
Whoa.
Three sides. Whoa. Four sides. Whoa. Five sides. Whoa. Six sides. Now, what if this, I just want to say I'm keeping my arms out in front of me for the rest of this, that what if these cubes had the same scramble as the paper cube from the beginning of the ad?
What?
That would be like as unlikely as if my brother came all the way from Maryland to visit me for this. He's right there.
Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.
This is first time here. What's your favorite part about Benedictine so far?
Well, I gotta say, the interior of the Abbey is pretty bad. I'll say that too. My favorite dorm is Newman. He didn't tell me to say that. I mean that.
Turner, don't drop the soap.
So let's finish the trick here. That's not what I need.
Yeah, but you said.
The paper cube, yes. Okay. So we'll say that the paper cube and these two cubes have a match on one side, two sides, three sides, four sides, five sides, six sides. For the one last reveal, I started my act wearing an orange shirt. Now,
What?
switch to blue.
No.
I think I know why he asked me to come.
That was Rubik's Cube Magic. Thank you very much. Good night.